Today, I'll show you how to log into your HSBC Mutual Fund account. Whether you're new to online banking or just need a refresher, this guide will help you access your account with ease. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the official HSBC Mutual Fund or investment platform. This is your starting point for accessing all your investment details. Once there, locate the login section. Here, you'll need to enter your registered username. This could also be your email address or your PAN depending on what you've registered with. Make sure you type it in correctly to avoid any login issues. Next, enter your password. Remember, your password is case sensitive, so double check that your caps lock key is off or on as needed. If prompted, the next step is to complete the OTP verification. OTP stands for one-time password, and it's an additional security measure to ensure it's really you trying to access the account. You should receive this OTP either on your registered mobile number or your email. Enter the OTP in the designated field. Once you've filled out all the necessary fields, click on the Login or Submit button to proceed. This action will send your login information to HSBC for verification. After a few moments, if everything checks out, you'll be logged in successfully. This will give you access to your mutual fund portfolio where you can view your transactions and statements. There's an alternate way to access your mutual funds if they're linked to your HSBC online banking. Simply log into your internet banking account and navigate to the Wealth Dashboard or Investment section. This method is convenient if you're already on the online banking platform and wish to manage all your financial details in one place. And that's it. You've learned how to log in to your HSBC Mutual Fund account. Remember, keeping your login details secure is paramount. Avoid sharing your password or OTP with anyone and consider changing your password periodically for added security. By following these steps, you'll have no trouble accessing your account and staying on top of your investments. Thanks for following along and happy investing.